Welcome back. US President Donald Trump has now hinted at the former administration of his predecessor Joe Biden of election interference in India as he continued to defend the Elon Musk-led Department of Government Efficiency. The controversial decision to slash $21 million grant for the country aimed at increasing voter turnout. Donald Trump says, why do we need to spend so much money on voter turnout in India? I guess they, which he hints at the previous administration, were trying to get someone else elected. We've got to tell the Indian government this is a total and complete breakthrough.
And $21 million for voter turnout in India. What do we need to spend $21 million for voter turnout in India? Wow, $21 million. I guess they were trying to get somebody else elected. Well, we ought to tell the Indian government, because when we hear that Russia spent about $2 in our country, it was a big deal, right? They took some internet ads for $2,000. This is a total breakthrough.
Now, earlier in an exclusive interview with Times Now, Prime Minister Modi exclusively spoke about alleged meddling in Indian elections. Listen in.
मुझे लगता है कि ये विरोध और ये जो तीव्रता है, इसकी उम्र 4 जून तक है। 4 जून के बाद न उनकी हैसियत होगी, न उनका हौसला होगा। सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे देश की ताकत होगी, मेरे देश का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के लोकतंत्र का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के 140 करोड़ नागरिकों का सामर्थ्य होगा और दुनिया भारत के लोकतांत्रिक सामर्थ्य को नए सिरे से देखना शुरू करेगी। और ये जो भी है, मैं देख रहा हूं, पूरी दुनिया भारत के चुनाव को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है, जो कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए। ये वो अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे रहे हैं, अपना कमेंट नहीं कर रहे, वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन भारत में इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर पाएंगे। भारत के लोगों के बहुत सी अंदरूनी जो शक्ति होती है वो बड़ी जबरदस्त होती है। वो आपातकाल के चुनाव के बाद देश ने देख लिया है कि भारत का गरीब के मगर आदमी में भी लोकतंत्र, स्वतंत्रता, ये आदर्श क्या होते हैं उसने दिखाया है, और इसलिए इसमें तो वो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे। मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि जब दीपक बूझने को होता है ना, तो लौ फटफटाती है, तो ये वो फटफटाहट है। अब उनको अंधेरे में जाना ही जाना है।
Well, Pradeep is connected with us. Pradeep, that fatpatahat did not work, because if there was an attempt to influence the elections, as was said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi before the results that came out in June 2024, the BJP today is claiming vindication because this is a big statement that is directly being made on part of the US President himself.
Yes, absolutely right, because US President Donald Trump himself has said that there was a need to influence election and go for a good voter turnout, because already in a country like India, because where we have seen that the people in large number had been coming, and we have seen over the period of time how the charisma of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been working, because every election he makes people to come out in large number, because at the end of the day democracy is all about majority, and the people in large number had been coming out. That's one of the reasons that we have seen that years after years the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is winning election. So now it is being questioned, because what was the intent? It was not basically they wanted the number of people to come out and vote. It was basically they wanted to influence election, because there were certain elements who never wanted the BJP to come forward, because here is a man, Prime Minister, who takes decision. He is someone who thinks about India. He is not someone who will get influenced by the Western powers, and that's one of the reasons that there are certain elements in the Western countries who do not want Prime Minister Narendra Modi to rule India, because they know that here is a man who thinks about India, because for him India is first, because earlier there used to be policy like America first, but ever since the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken the reign of country in his hand, he has tried to ensure that it is India first, because every time he looks after the welfare of the people of India and what really is good for the India, that's what the Prime Minister is doing. Already we have seen this thing during the Ukraine-Russia war, because during Ukraine-Russia war, the Western countries were trying to dictate terms to India that you should not buy gas from Russia, but India made it clear that why not to buy gas from Russia, which you already had been doing, because whatever will be good for people of India, whatever will be good for our economy, and if we have to spend less, why not to buy gas from Russia? So India had been dictating them terms rather than being dictated by the Western power. So that is one of the reasons that they wanted to influence election, and now Donald Trump himself will come out and said in this regard that clearly indicates that what actually was the intention of the government there, why they wanted to spend money, why the organizations that are working for Soros, what they are
and
trying
who
to
exactly gained from this? Well, that is a question that now remains, because as you heard directly coming in from the Prime Minister, hinting at a larger conspiracy, the BJP today is now continuously claiming vindication while reaffirming Prime Minister's assertions, where BJP is now even seeking investigation into the money trail claims, asking who exactly took money from US aid. What is the voter turnout funding that was being raised on the platter, as far as now almost elimination of US aid is now being done on part of the US administration. But what did it amount to foreign interference, especially during the elections? Who did they want to be elected instead of Narendra Modi? That is the question that is now being raised. Let's put out what Amit Malviya of the BJP has to say, because he is now claiming vindication by saying that US President Trump's claim that money was being pumped into India and to influence the election results in the country is a reaffirmation of the Prime Minister's assertion that during the 2024 campaign that foreign powers were trying to stop him from coming to power. And this is exactly what the Prime Minister said just before the June election results that came out, saying that foreign powers were desperately trying to influence the elections, but he believes in the country, he believes in the citizens, and he says that their desperation is evident, that there seems to be foreign interference in the general elections of 2024.
मुझे लगता है कि ये विरोध और जो तीव्रता है, इसकी उम्र 4 जून तक है। 4 जून के बाद न उनकी हैसियत होगी, न उनका हौसला होगा। सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे देश की ताकत होगी, मेरे देश का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के लोकतंत्र का सामर्थ्य होगा, मेरे देश के 140 करोड़ नागरिकों का सामर्थ्य होगा, और दुनिया भारत के लोकतांत्रिक सामर्थ्य को नए सिरे से देखना शुरू करेगी। और ये जो भी है, मैं देख रहा हूं, पूरी दुनिया भारत के चुनाव को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है, जो कि उनको नहीं करना चाहिए। ये वो अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे रहे, अपना कमेंट नहीं कर रहे, वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन भारत में इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर पाएंगे। भारत के लोगों के बहुत सी अंदरूनी जो शक्ति होती है वो बड़ी जबरदस्त होती है। वो आपातकाल के चुनाव के बाद देश ने देख लिया है कि भारत का गरीब के मगर आदमी में भी लोकतंत्र, स्वतंत्रता, ये आदर्श क्या होते हैं उसने दिखाया है, और इसलिए इसमें तो वो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे। मुझे ये पक्का विश्वास है कि जब दीपक बूझने को होता है ना, तो फटफटाती है, तो ये वो फटफटाहट है। अब उनको अंधेरे में जाना ही जाना है।
Well, that was the Prime Minister's statement before the election results, and today the BJP is now even seeking investigation into the money trail claims, asking who exactly took the US aid money. This is a big story, multiple reactions coming in. We'll get you more back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.